All right, guys, I just wanted to go over the rock cycle very quickly. I saved it for the last thing because it's a really nice wrap up and a nice review. So basically, a cycle, there is no beginning, there is no end. It goes on and on and on and on, like very much like the water cycle. I'm just going to start with magma because it's on the bottom. Okay, so if magma, which is molten rock beneath the surface, we can also say lava here too if we wanted it. I guess they didn't put lava there because it would take up too much room, and for printing space wouldn't be enough room. So when magma or lava solidifies, it becomes an igneous rock. Well, that igneous rock, there's a lot of things that could happen to it. That igneous rock could weather and erode, like on the surface of the earth, and become sediments. And then those sediments can then become deposited and buried and then compacted or cemented and cemented together to form a sedimentary rock, right? Or that igneous rock could go through heat and pressure without melting it again, and it could become a metamorphic rock. Or that igneous rock could melt and become magma again, and then go through the whole same process. Okay, if we look at a metamorphic rock can melt, become magma, become an igneous rock. That metamorphic rock right here, this should also say heat and pressure. I don't know why. I guess maybe for printing, again, heat and pressure. If you want to write that in your reference table, you can. Could go through heat and pressure again, like slate to phyllite, and become another metamorphic rock. And then that metamorphic rock can weather and become sediment. And then that sediment has to be deposited, bury, compact, and or cement to become a sedimentary rock. Okay, the only rock that undergoes a few more steps is the sedimentary rock, because in order for a sedimentary rock to form, you need sediments. Okay, so how do we get sediments? You need to weather and erode. So it's an extra step when you become a sedimentary rock. You can't just become a sedimentary rock. You have to become sediments first. And then those sediments, let's say they're like in the river. They can't just automatically become a sedimentary rock. They need to settle and deposit. And then when they deposit, they might get buried by more sediments. And over time, that burial creates the compaction, and it will cement or compact the sediments together to form a sedimentary rock. Okay, and the only thing is, I think, as I'm remembering, I don't remember, for metamorphic rocks, go back to the notes, the video you just watched. I just want to make sure you understand that when a metamorphic rock is undergoing heat and pressure, the you are applying pressure. And if you remember back to our very first unit, density, if you increase the pressure, you will increase the density. And that was a question in your notes, so just wanted to make sure you go back and understand that. That is it. So after you watch both videos and do both pages of notes 1 through 6, tomorrow I'll post an answer key. Check your answer key. And Thursday you will have a lab assessment. There will be no metamorphic lab. It will just be your lab assessment. And then you have a checkpoint for metamorphic rocks. And next week will be a rock test. That is it. I will see you on Tuesday for Google Meets.